Alright, here's the suit. Got it nearly done. Good enough to show off, I think. Looks all shiny. Stretches really nicely. Didn't really finish off the belt just yet, because I didn't have time for that. I have to reshape it and stuff, but there's the belt right there. Also, the zipper makes for a nice little pocket, so that's pretty nice. Might do a belt later on. Web shooters came out pretty nicely. They fit in the gloves really well. Bulge out just a little bit, but that's okay. Web shooters stick out really nicely. As you can see, they're kind of misshapen a little bit, but not a big deal. The pleather spider looks really good, really matched with the eyes. Alright, there's this eyes a little wrinkly, but couldn't really fix that unless I had some hard plastic. Designs on the rest of the suit, web pattern all over. Really happy with how it came out. Wrinkles a bit, but I can fix that later on. Also the boots look pretty nice. I think I'm happiest with the way the boots came out in terms of the webs. And yeah, here's the back. There's a little stretch right there to get the spider all nice and stretched out, compress a little bit. And there you go. There's the back of the mask. Still not done yet. Haven't got that done yet. Oh, and all in all, pretty nice suit. Really happy with it. With the gloves, the sleeve actually, the design only goes up to around here because I didn't think I needed web pattern all the way up there. Web shooters look pretty nice. They fit in the shirt really well. Also, something I did for the sleeve was add a little band like I did for the pants, and that keeps the sleeve in place. There's the glove back in place. Alright. Looks really awesome. Really happy with how it came out. Small problem it has is the lenses tend to fog up a little bit, but that's okay. I can fix that. Also, there's still a bit uneven, but again, can fix that. No big deal. Alright, so that's the suit. Next, we'll be moving on to the PS4 one, and that one I just bought the fabric for, so stay tuned for that suit. That's going to be pretty sick. Also, any other suit ideas you have, put in the comments, suggest them in the comments below, and I'll get right to that as well. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys next time on Spare Time. That's the wrong button.